Namaskar, welcome to this edition of the News Bulletin. In today's headlines, SAIL Rourkela steel plant creates new benchmark in converter lining life. CEO RSP laid the foundation stone for 1.02 megawatt rooftop solar photovoltaic power plant at NIT Rourkela. And workshop on Arohan, the accent organized. And now the news in detail. SAIL Rourkela steel plant has set yet another benchmark in techno-economics of steel production with the converter A in its steel melting shop 2 surpassing 9,000 heats on 22nd June 2019. Notably, the converter is still in operation. The previous best lining life at SMS2 was 7,478 heats. It is worth mentioning here that the converters produce crude steel for the continuous casting shop to further produce slabs. The slabs are finally rolled in different mills of the plant to produce finished goods. The converter A has been in operation with the same set of refractory brick lining since 14th April 2018 and so far tapped 13,95,000 tons of crude steel. The magnesium carbon bricks that are used inside the converter vessel for lining of the entire surface area remaining in direct contact with liquid hot metal are produced in-house at the lime and dolomite brick plant of RSP. The job of the relining has also been done in-house. The record lining life is indicative of the commitment levels of the collective of operations and maintenance sections. The benchmark was achieved as a result of improved discipline, enhanced hot metal quality, better fluxes and by changing entire process parameters. Improved process discipline in achieving desired chemistry with straight blow was the main reason for reduced lining erosion and subsequent higher life. The supply of scrap of required size by material recovery department also helped in maintaining the health of the converter. The Refractory Engineering Services Department also contributed to the success by efficiently undertaking lining inspection, monitoring the shell temperature and detection erosion areas for better maintenance. The calcining plant too supplied quality flux while instrumentation department helped in maintaining the automation systems. Mr. Deepak Chattaraj, CEO RSP, has congratulated the SMS2 collective as well as all the associated departments on creating the new benchmark. He exhorted them to strive for achieving similar success in every endeavor. The CEO has exuded confidence that the RSP collective will help the company enhance the growth and profitability by further improving the techno-economics and reducing cost of production. Mr. Deepak Chattaraj, CEO RSP, laid the foundation stone for 1.02 megawatt rooftop solar photovoltaic power plant in front of Central Air Conditioning Plant at NIT Rourkela on 24 June. Professor Animesh Viswas, Director NIT Rourkela, along with Professor P.K. Das, Registrar NIT, Professor Vidyadhar Subudhi, Chairman of Solar PV Power Generation Committee, senior professors and students of the institution were present on the occasion. In his address, Mr. Chattaraj appreciated the sustainable development initiatives of NIT for the installation of such an eco-friendly solar power plant. The CEO added that tapping of renewable source of energy will help in reducing pollution and also in minimizing the maintenance expenses. Solar power is the key to a clean energy future, he added. Mr. Chattaraj reiterated RSP's commitment to collaborate with prestigious academic institutions like NIT for better contribution to the society and the nation. Notably, NIT Rourkela has executed a power purchase agreement with Messrs. Azure Power Rooftop 1 Private Limited, New Delhi under MNRE SECI scheme. Earlier, Professor Animesh Biswas introduced the CEO to the gathering, and Mr. Professor P.K. Das deliberated on the future plan of solar activities at NIT Rourkela. A two-day workshop of the HR initiative Arohan the Ascent was held at HRDC on 21st and 22nd June. In all, 15 executives in the level E3 to E7 attended the workshop. The topics covered during these 2 days were business scenario and dynamics of steel industry and future challenges, stakeholder management, building professional relationship with vendors, emotional intelligence, positive attitude and self-motivation, culture of pride, passion and appreciation, optimum utilization of resources and materials, innovation and creativity, effective decision-making at work, and optimum utilization of human resources. The program was coordinated by Mr. Sivarajan, DGM HRD, and Mr. N. Majhi, Junior Officer HRD. And with this, we come to the end of this news edition. Namaskar.